a new program in Lancaster County. So MUSC Health Lancaster Medical Center is, as I mentioned, launching this new program. And this program is huge. This program represents significant investment in expanding healthcare access and building sustainable physician workforce for the region. So there are plans already underway to launch an additional family medicine residency program as well. But before I get into the weeds of the story, I want to check in with our reporter, WCNC Charlotte's Kayland Hagwood, who is covering this story. So, Kayland, what can you tell us? I know you're covering the story. What can you tell us?
Well, this is a really exciting initiative, Nick, not only for our area, but for Lancaster in particular. I am from the city of Lancaster, if anyone doesn't know that yet. I'm Oops, muted myself. And so I can tell you just how significant this is. I'm sorry, I'm adjusting to this new platform as well. I can see myself back, so that's throwing me just a little bit. But I'm going to talk you guys through a little bit about what you can expect from this program. And so basically, it's a residency program. So you may have heard of a residency program, and that just allows people who've gone to medical school to have this opportunity to get on the job training and specialized training with oversight. So this is going to allow this hospital, which is the only hospital in the city of Lancaster, to have some extra hands and to be able to support those individuals and to teach those individuals and to train those individuals, and that also kind of doesn't necessarily increase the staff per se because these will be individuals that are having oversight, but it does in ways offer additional hands for to support the hospital and to support the patients, with the goal that once these individuals leave the program, that they will be able to be able to go out into the community and stay in the community, which studies actually show that individuals who do go through residency programs in certain areas are more likely to stay in those areas. Another significant part of this is just how large of an investment it is. I mean, you have one of the largest investments by the state to make this all possible. Also, a lot of private donors coming to the table to make this possible. So, a major investment into Lancaster and a major investment into seeing these residents be successful and to this and for this community to be successful. I want to toss it over to some sound that I got from the program director, who spoke a little bit about the impact of making investments into rural healthcare.
By starting a residency program, our goal is to train very confident and compassionate physicians who can also stay in the community and serve the community for future. By this way, we're going to try to eliminate the physician shortages as much as we can. And right now, we got wonderful residents coming from all over the world, and our goal is to retain these exemplary residents for this community.
Yeah. And so, he was obviously very passionate about the work and about this program. I met one of the great residents who's going to be participating. She's very excited. You'll hear from her on WCNC Charlotte at 6. But yeah, I just think, being someone who is from this area, I can speak to the importance of having that investment in rural areas. I just think that this is a great thing for the community. And, I'm hopeful that all of these residents that come on board right now, they're starting with 8, but they're hoping to have a couple dozen come on board, and that they'll stick around and fall in love with the area and want to hang out here and continue to serve.
Caitlin, can you speak more to that? Because again, you are from Lancaster. You talk about Lancaster, how I talk about my hometown, High Point. I know Carlene is sick of me mentioning our hometown, but we're proud of our hometown. And so, what does this mean for the folks there in this program? And again, this is expanding healthcare access. This is expanding the workforce in the region. Like, what does Lancaster offer those folks from your perspective?
The city of Lancaster is just a short drive away from the city of Charlotte and all that it has to offer. Lancaster County, particularly India Land, is just a developing and growing area. that is bustling with different opportunities, whether that be opportunities for work or opportunities to entertain yourself. The city of Lancaster offers a unique opportunity for these residents to really dig in to a community that really needs it, and to support people who have perhaps unique health challenges. And that they can be able to offer that support and feel like they're really a part of a community in the way that a small town kind of gathers around you, and you get to know people on that personal level. Um, I think that the hospital system, MUSC Health, is actually not only working to invest in the city of Lancaster, but they are also working to build another hospital, to develop another hospital out in Indian Land as well. And they're also hoping to expand some family medicine residency programs within their within their pharmacy network as well. So I'm sorry, not pharmacy network. When I think about MUSC, I think about the school, but of course, I'm talking about the hospital system. So within the MUSC Health Network, they are working to expand their footprint in a number of different areas.
Look, we have a fellow Gamecock on here on the program, so Carlene understands it totally.
Yes.
Kayland, thank you for your time. Thank you for the story. This is a big story, and thank you for your perspective as well.